Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Meet the ROTHENBERGER R600 pipe cleaning machine. Designed for the toughest blockages, this powerhouse features a robust 400W motor, spinning at 467 revolutions per minute, guaranteeing efficient results every time. With a spiral tool set accommodating diameters from 8mm to 22mm, the ROTHENBERGER R600 is ready for any challenge, whether it's a minor clog or a stubborn obstruction. And with a working area diameter of 40 mm to 150 mm and lengths up to 60 meters, this machine is perfect for both indoor and outdoor tasks. Compatible with a Type F plug and operating at 220 to 240 volts, the ROTHENBERGER R600 adapts to any power source, making it truly versatile. Ready to tackle those plumbing challenges? Get your ROTHENBERGER R600 pipe cleaning machine today at mrworker.com and experience the ultimate in quality and reliability.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.